Eli 5. Why do spacecraft rovers always seem to last longer than they were expected to? E.g., Hubble was only supposed to last 15 years, but exceeded that. The answer: engineers like to make things as durable and enduring as they can. NASA is full of engineers who have a lot of power. As a result, things get built to last. The other thing is that lasting longer than planned is fine, but not lasting as long as planned is a disaster, especially since you can't just head up there and repair things. So generally things like Mars Rovers and space telescopes are designed with a sort of buffer of it'll last at least this long. But we've designed it to last a little longer than that, just in case something goes wrong or parts wear out quicker than expected. That means that when everything goes as planned, things last as long as expected, which means longer than what was needed or planned for. Follow this channel for more Santa Explains. And if you have any questions I should answer, just write them down in the comments.